Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hey y'all, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today is very highly requested every year. I did not do one of these last year. One of my all-time favorite ones that I have ever done was with a lot of other people in my car, well, in multiple cars that we did, and it is hands down one of my most favorite Vlogmas videos that I've ever done, and it is my Christmas karaoke page. This year you are only being privileged enough to see me. I do not have any special guests. I would love to be able to do this with Mila and Cody and, you know, all the fam, but you can't see Mila in her car seat, so it's just not, maybe in another 2 years. So today I'm going to take it a step further. Another thing that has been highly requested is that I actually sing and not just, you know, sing and play around in the karaoke. I'm going to be finishing off this video today. It's just only going to be karaoke, but at the end of my karaoke, I know that's not a real word, but it is today, I will be singing. I'll be doing it a cappella, so if you want to hear me sing, then stay tuned or fast forward or do whatever your little heart desires. But we're going to get started. The babies are at home with Cody napping, so I figured I would just hit the road. It's a beautiful day today. It is like 76 degrees, which I'm like, thank you, North Carolina. Where the heck is my Christmas weather? I will link my Spotify playlist down below in the description box for those of you that want it. Without further ado, let's get festive, shall we?
Happy holiday, happy holiday. Keep ringing day to you. Coming down the chimney now. It's the holiday season. He'll have a big fat pack upon his back.
Oh, it's a fat pack.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holiday.
Merry Christmas.
Song by the fireside, waiting for Santa to arrive. 'Cause everybody knows Christmas time is the best time of year for the family. They're fulfilling it's that time of year. God sends you His love. Merry Christmas, happy holiday.
I don't know the words of this song, but it's super festive.
Too late, too late.
Okay, I know that part. Oh wait, I think I know more of it. Sing it, Kaylee. Comment down below for favorite Christmas album. Justin Bieber,
You're the single
Unmatched.
one and only Christmas wish. I know someone out there knows what I'm saying. My gift to you is of my heart. Take my heart, hear me when I sing. And I am looking for Christmas. You're the single item on my list. One and only Christmas wish.
Come on, Gwen. Even if you took like, I wanna thank
You baby, you make it feel like Christmas. Sweet gingerbread with molasses, my heart's
Clearly, I don't know the words.
I wanna thank you, baby.
It's so sexy.
Bells ring, I am listening.
Gone away is the new bird here to stay. We go along, walking in a winter wonderland. They'll say, are you hurry? We'll say, no man. You can do the job when you're in town.
Turn up. Yeah, yeah. The Santa was a thug. Santa was a thug.
Yeah, see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, jingle, jingle.
Now this one is sexy. Sexy Christmas. Is that wrong to say sexy Christmas?
It's a holiday, spending with you, baby.
I need to see some Kappa shimmy to this.
You know the Santa's coming to town, so today is all about you, baby. I'm talking full of roses, what I'm waiting for. Top of your rose, them sleigh bells are swinging. On after you, them carols are singing. My baby's Christmas Eve. Only I got you, babe. I don't need no presents, girl. Everything I need.
A couple tries to stop the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Balls with vows of party around the Christmas tree.
You know, this is Mama's favorite Christmas song. Ain't it? This is the right one, right? So, we're gonna do it up for Mama's shirt. That was almost a disaster.
Only when holds you on the 25th.
When your heart beats, baby, it sings to me. Follow, 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 follow.
Back home soon, 'cause it won't feel like Christmas without you. I've been thinking about some jingle bells, snow falling on the windowsill. Full of cheer, I've been waiting for them 12 reindeer. Hey, little, don't you rush, you got time. Selfie with you, show the world you don't mind. First time that I tell you I'm in love with you, but hold up, Santa, baby, I got trust issues. Make sure you can feel me. I'm up your life for me. Santa, baby, would you make a little time for me? Just a little mind. You left my heart on mine. You gave it away. This year, I saw them shopping last week.
They told me, oh, pom pom, oh, to honor him, oh, pom pom, and we
To bring rum-pa-pum-pum. Oh yeah, after mistletoe, after snow and ice, while you're singing carols, Christmas means to me, my love.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters? Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? The child that you've delivered will soon deliver you. Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would calm the storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod? When you kiss your little baby, you have kissed the face of God. Oh, Mary, did you know? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Oh, Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nations? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? And sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. And because a lot of you asked, here goes. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? Where is the laughter you used to bring me? Why can't I hear music play? My world is changing, I'm rearranging. Does that mean Christmas changes too? Where are you, Christmas? Do you remember the one you used to know? I'm not the same one. You see what the time's done. Is that why you have let me go? Oh, Christmas is here everywhere. Oh, Christmas is here if you care. Oh, if there is love in your heart and your mind, you will feel like Christmas all the time. Oh, I feel you, Christmas. I know I found you. You never fade away. Oh, the joy of Christmas stays here inside us, fills each and every heart with love. Where are you, Christmas? Fill your heart with love. Ooh. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happiest of holidays. I look forward to seeing you here for the rest of Vlogmas 2021. Have a beautiful and blessed evening, everyone. Bye.
Baby, this